Well, I don't think we've shown one of these for. I don't think we've ever shown one of these. It's a Harvard 400M, which is the same innards as the Alba CBM1. That's the one with the slider controls and the Eurosonic Euro 1 and Euro 2. Not to be confused with the Eurosonic Euro 2 as in Roman numerals, which is a GT868 set. So this has been rebuilt from 2 scrap chassis, one sent to me by another dealer and the one which we had here, plus some other parts. One of the killers of anything which uses this chassis, or the walkie-talkies that use a similar circuit on a different board, which is the Harvard 410's Alba CBH2 and the Harrier WT2. The trouble with them is they use an MPSU31 output transistor. I've put one in here, it was £19. So, you know, this is what we're up against. So a lot of work to turn it back into a working set, but I wanted to do it. The bleed over boxes, I think anyone who knows will have thought they all died years ago.
Mr. Chippie, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm just giving my preamble and I'm ready.
Roger that.
And I've already got the bleed over.
Yeah, there's a bit of SSB on this channel. Do you want to pick another?
Stand by. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, try 28.
Roger. You there?
Yeah, roger.
Okie dokie, right, off we go.
So on this set the Roger bleep is switchable.
Roger, well, leave it on or off, whatever you think. Probably be good for the 5 mile point.
Yes, the other sad thing is the low power on this set is just 100 milliwatts.
Roger that. Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Yep, roger on that, got you recording.
Roger, have you got time control?
No negative, not on this one.
No problem.
This set came with no meter and we've taken this out of a scrap AM set.
Alright, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the line.
Roger.
We're now passing Ancaster service station. Unleaded is 149.9 and diesel is 154.9.
Roger on that.
Roger. Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, diddly dodger.
we're now passing the top of the hill as we're down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
We just mentioned the serial number on this radio is 00021. It was Wade made for me, wasn't it?
Very good. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around a scratchy corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilson. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around a Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Harvard 400M from 1981. 3.61.
Yep, roger that. All received. Level crossing. Over.
Are you going to go over the level crossing and get the phone?
Roger, you say getting the phone? Passing the Kelby turn. Over. Roger that.
Okay, 21 Mr. Chippie.
Yeah, roger that. We're just coming up to the Kelby turn. Over.
You got you at the Kelby turn?
No, negative. Ignore that. We're just going around the Grayleys turn. Over.
You got you at the Grayleys turn?
Already did the Kelby turn, but you weren't there.
Yeah, it'll still be on the recording then.
Yeah, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point. Over.
I've got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on a Harvard 400M doing 3.6 watts. And there you go. I'm going to switch to low power, but low power on this day is only 100 milliwatts. So I'm not expecting anything to happen. 546. Back to normal power. This is an early production set. Later production, the low power wouldn't set up properly. Over.
Yep, roger that. Well, as expected, you were all received on full power and nothing on low power.
Roger on that. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, got you back on the road.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Got you going over. The petrol price of that today, please, over.
Yeah, 152.7 unleaded and 157.94 diesel.
I didn't read that. Can you try again?
Yep, 152.7 on the unleaded and 157.9 for diesel.
Okay, that's fine. Got that. Well, thanks for the check. And make sure your ham rate is on.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing with some interference. So I wonder if there's a petrol price at that end today, please, over. No, I didn't read that. Can you try again?
Yep, 152.7 on the unleaded and 157.9.
Okay, that's fine. Got that. Well, thanks for the test. And 1010. Make sure your ham radio is on. I need to talk to you.
Yep, roger that.
1010. So a lot of interference is difficult to judge because of SSB interference, which shouldn't be here. So whatever that is, it's illegal. But there you are. What can I do about it? Absolutely nothing. So it was a struggle at the end, but they are a bleed over box. So how much of that is bleed over and how much of it is the weather conditions is hard to tell. So we'll go over to our Midland base station and we'll see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Harvard 400M with a standard replacement microphone into our Midland 76900 base station.